how to know your kanang dominant eye.
Yes.
This time you have to use your dominant eye.
Ear.
Okay? In what? In comparing which thumb is higher or which thumb is lower. Okay? So you have to do the dominant eye movement. So the patient is asked to stand on one leg while flexing the contralateral hip. Okay? One leg stands. Okay? One leg standing. And then flex the knee. Ang katong ipang-flex ninyo na leg, inyo ikaabot sa chest, sa patient. Okay? So if the pieces, one ang kabali ba? So if the pieces on the side of the hip flex fails to move posteriorly and inferior with respect, dapat class, when you do this one in standing position, same ang pieces ninyo, same ang level, naka-level ang thumb or naka-level ang pieces. Okay? But if there's a sacroiliac or SI joint dysfunction, maybe a tendency, maybe the right pieces is higher or the left pieces is higher or lower. Ha? Kuha? So, you have to palpate the what pieces. Okay? You have to palpate first. Ha?
Isang pinupugusto mo eh.
Okay, so for example, napalpate na ninyo si pieces. Okay? Instruct the patient to do one leg standing. Then, sir, can you please bring your
One leg standing.
knee up to your chest? Ano ang lagi mo? Then relax. Okay, and then make it. Okay, ang normal is the same.
Miss, mas taas ang left kaysa right.
Picture na lang.
Guys, ganawa ninyo. Usually, ang hip,
Little things.
ang bend mo sa
Oo,
inyong hip,
gado.
normal na level na inyong pieces. But if there's something wrong, maybe secondary to muscular
I
imbalance,
love the little.
maybe one piece is either higher or lower.
Kita mong giyapon ka pa
For
sa
example, yo,
Starring.
okay, so kung si pieces niya, ha?
Nag-quick yung video. YouTube
Okay?
video.
And then instruct the patient to lift his left leg up to his chest. See? Saka kayo si left hand, left thumb nako.
Yes.
Okay? Next, see? Ika.
Right.
Next, si right. See? Kuha.
Yes.
Kuha. Kuha.